you ever feel like your days slip away without making real progress? What if you could master every day with confidence and focus? In this video, we'll share Stoic rules to help you conquer the day, stay calm under pressure, and make the most of every moment. Let's get started. Why Stoic rules can change your day. Stoicism is more than an ancient philosophy. It's a practical guide for modern life. The Stoics believe that the way you start and approach each day sets the tone for everything that follows. By applying these Stoic rules, you'll stay focused, resilient, and in control, no matter what the day brings. Rule 1. Start your day with purpose. Before the chaos of the day begins, take a moment to reflect. Marcus Aurelius would remind himself each morning of the challenges he might face. Set an intention for your day. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to handle challenges? A clear purpose gives your day direction. Rule 2. Focus on the present moment. Most of our stress comes from worrying about the past or future. The Stoics teach us to live fully in the present. If you're working, focus on the task at hand. If you're spending time with loved ones, be fully present. As Seneca said, life is long if you know how to use it. Rule 3. Control your response to challenges. You can't control what happens, but you can control how you respond. When something unexpected happens, pause and ask yourself, is this within my control? If it's not, let it go. Focus your energy on solutions, not complaints. Rule 4. Embrace simplicity. The Stoics believed that a simple life is a happy life. Don't overcomplicate your day with too many tasks or distractions. Prioritize what truly matters and let go of what doesn't. Simplicity brings clarity and peace. Rule 5. Practice gratitude midday. Take a moment during your day to reflect on what's going well. Gratitude shifts your mindset and keeps you grounded. Even if the day isn't perfect, find something to appreciate. A kind word, a small success, or even just the chance to try again. Rule 6. View obstacles as opportunities. When you face challenges during the day, don't see them as problems. See them as opportunities to grow. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Every obstacle is a chance to build strength. Rule 7. End your day with reflection. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to review your day. Ask yourself, what did I do well? What could I improve? Reflection is a powerful Stoic practice that helps you learn and grow each day. Take one rule and apply it today. Stoic philosophy is about action, not just ideas. Start with one of these rules and make it part of your daily routine. Over time, these practices will help you stay calm, focused, and resilient, no matter what comes your way. Which rule will you try first? Share it in the comments.